Non ke wangji Matijong a cheklo niphai isi pen Matijong niphai phomate phurun hinia phong Gujarat Assembly kilik padopon poposi pini Chief Election Commissioner Ranjiv Kumar pen New Delhi Akaswani Rang Bhavan Auditorium along Pherangkya mai phapon hut pangdak pon Gujarat State along Assembly kilik abirta kupi koson nang litum chinima Election Commissioner hin pen Gujarat Assembly kilik abirta pini pangdak pon tanglo Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar pen bangso puthak pini Pherangkya mai phapon lo CEC Rajiv Kumar pini ke phapon Pherangkya mai long ke pachini pona tengke Gujarat Assembly kilik ke padupon chilake phurun hinia phong pensi padupon po
Polling stations per assured minimum facility like drinking water, waiting area, electricity, ramps, toilets would be provided. No polling station would be on the first floor, they will all be on the ground floor. And we are this time deputing one additional special observer. This is a practice we are starting now, and we are experimenting with this. A special observer for accessibility and inclusion. We want to get report, we want to see that.
Kiliga phana por ke hot ponani lake non ke wangji Matijong a cheklo niphai isi pen Matijong a cheklo niphai phor ni an padupo ki chengsia phong kili ke paduponji Matijong niphai isi adon thu ke padupon thuji lake Matijong niphai phor ni kiligang thega por pader de pin pen vote kala kha ponji ani pangdak pon lake Matijong a cheklo niphai ner ke barni puthot kinang sora berta ajik tha Gujarat Assembly kilik aphan ajorni pathik pontanglo Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar pen pini Pherangkya mai phapondo Birta tengke Gujarat Assembly kilik aphan phurun hinia phong pen padupon po kichengsia phong ke padupon jia por lake non ke wangji Matijong cheklo ni phai si lapen adun thu aphong mate second phase ke padupon thuji lake Matijong ni phai phorni vote ke lakha phan apor ke hot pon tengke Matijong cheklo ni phai ner ke pusi chini dun Kadukawi labang solong rialong armo aphai kadukawi kilang pon laki 4.9 crore pusi pangthek pon.
The date of issue of notification would be for the first phase 5th of November and for the second phase 10th of November. For making nominations it would be 14th November for phase 1 and 17th November for phase 2. Date of for scrutiny of nominations would be November 15th and 18th respectively. Withdrawal would be November 17th and 21, and date of poll would be 1st and 5th, with the date of counting to coincide with Himachal Pradesh on 8th of December. And the entire process would be completed on 10th of December. So this is what is the schedule.
National Desk Report, Karbing Long Live.